What's the third type of error in an AI project? Garbage in, garbage out. Betting on heroics to fix bad data is a bad plan. Models can be trained on anything, whether it's incomplete, stale, or biased inputs, and they'll underperform, or worse, mislead. The telltales of this are things like long feature wrangling phases, endless manual cleanup, and outputs that look confident, but then SMEs look at them and they're systematically wrong on the edge cases. Now, to mitigate this, we approach it by running a data readiness assessment to know whether you're ready for AI before committing to the scope. Coverage, timeliness, consistency, lineage, bias checks, these all need to be a part of it, because then you can decide whether to remediate the data, and there's automated AI systems to do so, maybe constrain your use case to a reliable subset, or pivot to a design that leans on mitigation strategies like retrieval augmented generation, source citation, rather than pure prediction. When we formalize these data contracts at Improving and add the quality gates to the CI and CD process so that bad data fails fast and systems respond fast, we also include red team prompts to expose bias and hallucination early in the process. We were working on a parts forecasting app, and initially the supplier data had gaps. So what we did was we looked at it all and then constrained to SKUs with greater than 18 months of history. We added a vendor API so they could enrich that data, and we came back and expanded to other projects later, and the accuracy went through the roof.